Are we alone in the universe? This was the question Enrico Fermi asked himself in 1950 while working at his Los Alamos laboratory. He figured that if there were so many stars in the sky, at least 10,000 stars for every single grain of sand on every beach in the world, then planets must also be very common. There is over 100 billion planets in the Milky Way. If only 1% of these planets were habitable, and 1% of these habitable planets contained life, 1% of these planets that contained life had civilizations which developed spacefaring technology, there would be 100 spacefaring civilizations in the Milky Way alone. So where are all the aliens? Frank Drake tried to answer this question through an equation. This is called the Drake equation. It is n, the number of civilizations in the Milky Way whose electromagnetic emissions can be detected by us, is equal to or, the rate of formation of those stars suitable for the development of intelligent life, multiplied by Fp, the fraction of formed stars that have planets, multiplied by Ne, the average number of planets per star that has planets which can support life, multiplied by Fl, the fraction of those planets that actually develop life, multiplied by Fi, the fraction of planets which develop intelligent life, multiplied by Fc, the fraction of those civilizations that develop the ability to communicate with us, multiplied by L, the length of time over which the civilizations release detectable signals. But, because we do not have any of the exact variables, estimates of the answer to the Drake equation vary from 8 times 10 to the power of minus 20, which is less than 1 and suggests we are alone in the universe, to 36.4 million. One possible solution to the Fermi Paradox is the idea of great filters. These are barriers that stand in the way of the progression of civilizations. These could include natural disasters, nuclear war, meteor impacts, or climate change. The theory is that the filters get more difficult with each one a civilization passes, until eventually it meets one it cannot surpass. Earth has experienced extinction-level events such as this before, like the Ice Ages or the meteor that killed the dinosaurs. But have we met our final one yet? Another solution is that the universe is actually quite young, and we are the first civilization to develop, as up until recently the universe was a very hot, explodey place, which could not support life and has only recently calmed down enough for it to develop. A third possible solution is known as the zoo hypothesis. This is that aliens are observing us but not letting their presence be known. Maybe they are waiting for us to pass some sort of technological landmark before contacting us, like the Prime Directive in the Star Trek series. Maybe our universe is just some kid's science project which you only got to see in, because there wasn't much going on in it. We can't know, we can only keep looking.